Hi guys, there are some guys on Telegram saying, oh, plasma, blah, right? There is a new ISO out. Don't stay rolling, basically. Don't update. Get the new ISO out. So ArcoLinux, seed host, AG, it's there. I'm working on it. I'm making videos on it. So no, it's not that bad at all. So this is the ISO you should download in USB, etc. And then you have a clean install. Any operating system will benefit from a clean install. So go grab it, make it nice. So here's another video. A video about the first package ever for Plasma. The first thing I noticed is I'm missing my key bindings. I am a tiling window manager guy all day long on ChatWM, a spin-off from DWM, and we have 30 desktops, and all the 30 desktops have a Ctrl-Alt-T, fine, it was there, but also a Super Enter, and also a Ctrl-Alt-Enter, and it was not there, right? So even before I think, my fingers are pressing the buttons. Super Shift Enter is finger memory. And that's frustrating. If your fingers are pressing a button, Super Q and Super Shift Q, that are not working. And Super X is log out, and etc. And it's not working. So all the key bindings are in, but not on the default ArcoLinux Plasma, because we want to keep the ArcoLinux B pristine, right? Clean, just Plasma, not ArcoLinux. So the settings, if you want them, it's an extra job for you. ArcoLinux Plasma, and then enter, right? Key bindings is this particular package. We're probably gonna be renaming everything, but let's wait till the dust settles, right? ArcoLinux Plasma-Keybindings-git. That's the package that gets one file, not more, well, actually two. I'll explain. One file comes in, and that's the file Plasma is gonna use. It's not on your system. Yes, it's in your system. It's not on your system. It's not used. It's an etc skel config. It's the way we deliver things, right? It's not to your home directory that we're writing things. We're gonna go to home, then root, etc skel, type it in, enter, Ctrl H, remember, hidden folders, Ctrl H, H from hidden, .config. And what we've given you in this just one package is two files. There's just one at this point in time. We'll watch what happens. So Super Enter. That doesn't work yet on your computer, but sudo pacman -syyu, update your system, and if you have ArcoLinux Plasma installed, you'll get the new version from 02 to 03. Yes, you say. And what changes is that we have a original. This is the original file from Plasma, and this is our file. So if you do a skel, that's one of the things you need to learn. What is a skel? Here's the link. Click on the link. Let's see how that works. Or do we need to control click? Yeah, control click. So check out what it means. Lots of videos I talk about skel. So dive into the videos. But skel is overriding everything. And if you just set everything right, that can be a nuisance, even though there's a backup, etc., right? But it's only provides this and that file. So I'm gonna grab both of them and I put it inside my home config, Ctrl V, and I'll say override. Of course, if you made already key bindings, you have to think that through. So these two are basically the changes. So at this point in time, we can't really compare files with melt yet, but we can use this particular application, compare. And then you see it immediately with right mouse click, but I'm not really a fan of that one. So I go to super melt file and then you compare these two guys. So the original is from Plasma, nothing changed. Original always to the left. It's kind of a workflow thing. And what we have that actually is used, so or is our agreement, or is original, and this is ArcoLinux, and then you compare, and then you say, what did it change, right? Now, there are a lot of things that started to fill in, basically. So all the non-nons, you can skip all the non-nons, as we're not talking about the non-nons, right? It's just Plasma changing things. What we changed is the power off. So Super Shift X and Super X. We're so used to it all day long, right? So we need that. What else? There is these guys. These are all separately, so that's nice. Control-Alt-End is our BTOP. Super Q, you're gone. Meta Shift Return. We are in Dolphin, not in Thunar, depending on the desktop you're on 30 desktops in ArcoLinux. Super Shift Q this time. Then Control-Alt Return, Control-Alt-T, Super Return, Super Q, Super Q, Super Q. So it's fast. The fingers are always on the keyboard, and we need them. Right? Control-Alt-M. We always need to go from time to time to System Settings. On XFC, we go to the System Settings of XFC, etc., etc. So Super Q again. And I think we're at the bottom, but there might be still some few in there that I've missed at this point in time, but I don't think so, right? These are the ones, oh, Control Shift Escape. We've missed that one. True, Control Shift Escape. So another key binding that you recognize, of course, from Windows. We're so used to using these key bindings, so why not just put them in? So we're overwriting one file, and the other one is an original to keep track of things for us, for you. That you say, okay, what has changed now? And soon we'll make another one in the original, because the nonce, right? It makes it difficult to see, because basically you can skip those. All right, the first package ever. So if you say, oh yes, the key bindings are back, all right, this is something for you. Control-Alt-T, Super Q, and it's amazing, right? Control-T, T, 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 Super Q, 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 Q. I mean, what's not to love about it? Cheers.